This year has been a banner year for me when it comes to solving old problems that have plagued my company for years, and today is no exception. Today, in the process of solving the immediate issue at hand, I tackled the underlying issue which, as far as I can tell, has been a problem since at least 15 years ago. So today I noticed that one of my SQL jobs failed. Having experienced failures with this particular job before, I knew it was probably a disk space issue. Makes sense, since the job that failed was the daily database backup job. I checked the disk space and, sure enough, 13 megabytes free on the 450 gigabyte SQL DB drive. Delete out a bunch of old backups, now we're up to 250 gigabytes free. Yay! But when I was looking through the backups, one set of backups for one particular database called staging area was 40 gigabytes. For each daily backup file. Check the DB itself. 110 gigabytes. This database had been pretty big already before, but now it's just getting ridiculous. So I decide that today is the day I'm going to fix whatever's causing this once and for all. Tried to shrink the DB and the log files. No difference. So I start running some reports on it to see what the issue might be. Decide to run a disk usage by table report. Hash, oh god, one particular table in this database, DBL contacts, has checks number rechecks number 1.6 billion records. So I call up my contact at our MSP, who is not just our main point of contact there, but he's also a damn good database admin, and I'm like, dude, can you help me figure out what I'm looking at here? I can't even run queries on this table cause it's so friggin' huge. He looks at the email he sent him with a screenshot of the report and immediately starts laughing hysterically. That's a great sign. Alright. So, let me explain a little bit about how this process is supposed to be working. Our company has websites that our clients use to keep track of the current inventory of merchandise that they have on hand at each location. Every week they report to us how much merch they have left so we can then determine how much we need to send them each week to keep them from running out. This information used to exist on an external web host. To get the data from the web server imported into our internal system, we had a SQL Server Integration Services package that would run once an hour, downloading the data from the website into a staging area database and making minor manipulations to it before inserting the new information into our main database for our internal management. Application. An outgoing sys package would also run that did the same thing in reverse, sending updated internal information out to the web server database via the middleman staging area database. Since we've moved everything under one roof with our MSP, we now have everything on the same SQL server, but these packages still run because we haven't had the time or the manpower to rewrite them. I'm just one man. Legitimately, I've been the